this is presenting Anupam Public School and College. I hope you all are fine. Today I am going to teach you EVS. The first lesson in EVS for class 3rd is learning in a family. Our first school is a family. Our parents, teachers, brother and grandparents are our family. We learn many things from our family like good manners, good habits, disciplines. We should always respect our elders. Now, our next topic is, what does the family teach us? What does family teach us? We learn many things from our family. When we live in a family, we learn caring and sharing, being kind to others. Helping each other. Our next topic is, what does the family teach us? We learn many things when we live in a family. We learn caring and sharing, being kind to others, helping each other and being truthful. Being truthful. Our family teaches us good values like first, being respectful to others to elders. Second, being polite. Third, taking care of the needs. Taking care of the needs and also of the family members. Taking care of the needs of the family members. Now, a question arises, what is a family? Now we will discuss about family. What is a family? Answer. Family, it can be a definition. It is, what is a family? You can explain like a group of people, living in the same house related to each other is a family. Means a group of people living in the same house related to each other is called a family. Now, next topic is concept of family. First is joint family. Now, what is joint family? A family where parents, children, grandparents, brothers, sisters living together is called joint family. Joint family means a family where parents, children, grandparents, uncle, auntie, and cousins, living together or live in the same house. Is called joint family. Second concept, this was the first concept. Joint family where parents, grandparents, children, uncle, auntie and cousins live in the same house or living together is called joint family. Now, second concept is nuclear family. First, joint family. Second, nuclear family. Third, single parent family. What is nuclear family? A family in which parents and their one or two children live together is called nuclear family. Nuclear family means a family in which parents and their own one or more children live together is called nuclear family. A family in which parents and their own one or more children live together is called nuclear family. Now third concept is single parent family. Well, what is single parent family? Some children live with only one parent. Some children live with only one parent. Is called single parent family. Now next topic is family resemblance. Family resemblance. It means members of a family look like each other. We can say twins. Family resemblance means members of a family look like each other. Is called family resemblance. Example, for example, twins. When the children share physical characteristics of their parents, it is called heredity. When two babies are born to a mother, on the same day with a little difference in time are called what? Twins. I have explained before only. Means members of a family look like each other, that means it is twins. They are called what? These are called family resemblance. And children share the physical characteristics of their parents. It is also what called hereditary. Now next topic, our next topic is family tree. Definition, what is family tree? Its definition is family tree is a chart like tree that presents family relationships, Here is the figure of family tree. Generation 1, in generation 1 grandma, grandfather. Father, uncle, mother, grandma, grandfather, generation 1. Now father and uncle, this is generation 2. Generation 2. Mother, father, this is also generation 2. Sister and brother. Sister. M should be capital. Sister and brother. Here, cousin. Here, cousin, brother, cousin, sister. Cousin, brother, cousin, sister. This is what? Family tree. Grandma, grandfather. Then their second generation is mother, father, uncle, and third generation sister and brother. This is generation third. Sister, brother, brother and cousin sister. This is the figure of the family tree. Now our next topic is describing relationship. Describing relationship. Your parents, mother and father are called your grandparents. Describing relationships में first point, your parents, mother, your parents' mother and father are called your parents' mother and father are called your grandparents. Second point, your father's brother is called your uncle. Your father's brother is called your uncle. Third relationship is your uncle's children are called your cousin. Your uncle's children are called your cousin. This is the relationships. Parents, your parents, mother and father are called your grandparents. Your father's brother is called your uncle, and the third is your uncle's children are called your cousin. Now next. Now we will proceed next. Learning with joy. Learning with joy. Our parents do everything for us. Don't you think we should also do something for them? Our parents do everything for us. So, don't you think that we should also do something for them? Nowadays you are staying at home, so you should try to help your parents in their kitchen work or helping your fathers while washing the cars. First of all, we should have what love and respect to the elders. We should have love and respect to elders. This you can also help your parents many ways. This you can also help your parents in many ways. Like first, helping mother in the kitchen. Second, washing vegetables. Third, washing vegetables and fruits. Then cleaning the dining table. Cleaning the dining table. After meals. We can learn with joy. As I told you before that we are staying at nowadays you are staying at home due to the coronavirus. So you try to help your parents. You try to help your parents in their household works. So now our next topic is What all the things we learn from our family? Things we learn from our family. First, value of kindness. Second, discipline. Third, habits, honesty, good habits, good manners, honesty. Number 4, good manners. Good habits, customs. Love and respect. So, children, we learn today about our family. Your homework assignment. Make a family tree. Second, collect photographs of your families. That should collect photographs of your family. That how the members looked at different times. Also make your own albums. Make your own albums. Thank you.